So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to solve the issue with creating or opening a new Apple ID on your device. So for example, going ahead to my settings, and as you can see I'm connected to my Apple ID. For example, if you're showing sign and you actually want to sign in, but you can't get into that account, that's like trying to sign in with Apple and sometimes gives you issue. For example, let's go ahead to open Chrome. I don't really want to use that to sign in, so let's go ahead to open Chrome and see what we get, the kind of error code we get when we try to sign in using Chrome. For example, I come here and I search for Apple sign in. It's really so I try to click on iCloud to get into my iCloud space. So let's see how we can solve this issue. I'm sure this video should help you solve your basic issue with you logging into or signing into your Apple ID. So let's try using a different Apple ID. So let's see what's going to happen next. So once I go ahead to click on my Apple ID, for example, it's 002@gmail.com. so let's see. After this I'll be typing the password, so I'm clicking here on that tick, click on continue, and obviously they're going to ask for the password, which I might pause this area. So let's go ahead to type the password. So once I click here on sign in, let's see what happened next. So they are going to send a verification code to my Gmail, obviously, and let's see what's going to happen. So I'll be showing you how to get this issue fixed. So once you get to get your verification code, try to paste it there. Let's see what happened next. So Apple has sent me a verification code. I'm going to go ahead to type my verification code here in 460371. So it's going to tell me yes, it's going to actually verify this, but the place I'm going to be having the issue is the next step of me trying to get into, like for example using a phone number or whatever. So once I go ahead to put in my country code +234, let's go, that's Nigeria, so I want to use Nigeria. Actually this part is the part I usually get my problem at. So once I click here and click on continue, I get this error message: verification code cannot be sent to this phone number at this time, please try again later. And no matter how many times you keep on clicking on this, you get the same error code over and over again. So if this is one of the issues you have, or you cannot create their account at this time, it's fine. Let's just go ahead to learn how to solve this issue. So first of all, what you should not use is settings app, or sorry, that's signing from that area or your Chrome device. So instead, open your settings and scroll down, or just go ahead to search for mail here. So I'll just search for mail, click on mail. The next thing to do is to click on mail accounts. So I'm clicking here on mail accounts. So what you should do next here is to click on add accounts. So remember, you're signing into mails, and click on add accounts. And what you should do here is to click on choose from a list. So you can see it's right down there, choose from a list. I'm going to click on choose from a list, and now since it's iCloud account we really want to add, I'll click on iCloud. Next thing to do is to go ahead to impute the Gmail. But for example now I don't have accounts. I'll just scroll down and look at this and go ahead to click on create a new Apple account. So now they're going to take few seconds, and when it gets done, let's get. So if you're following this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So that now they're asking for my first name. Let me just make this Udo. So I'm trying to create for my younger brother here because obviously name, so Udo Frank, and let's go for his date of birth. So let's just change it 25th or 24th March, then let's put this over there, 2008. So I'm going to click here on continue. Yeah, that's one. So now they're asking for the email address, and his email address is Udo Franklin, let's see, Udo Franklin 123. So let's just go ahead to click on this at gmail.com. So this is the Gmail I actually want to use for this. I'm going to click here on continue. Then now they're asking for Apple password, so this is going to take some time. So I'll be pausing this at this section. So once you're done with your password, click here on continue. Let's get it. So you can see phone number, or I'm just going to try to use a different phone number because it's not this one. So to get your SMS very soon. So you can see once you're done with it, you just click on the phone number and the stuff. So now I've gotten to this page here, I'll just have to click on agree. So you can decide to request for it, press this term and condition via your Gmail, which basically I don't need. So I'm going to click here on agree, and I should get my Apple account done, and you can see it signing in. So boom, it works well. So if this video actually works for you, it's actually going to work for you, obviously. So go ahead to share this video to people having the same issue and recommend this channel. So you can see my Gmail account or my iCloud account now is active here on the device. So like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate, and comment any issue or any challenges you face while making this video. Thank you.